Princess and the Bee. Here is the king, here is a queen, here is Prince Harold, and lots of princesses. Are they real princesses? Asks Prince Harold. Real? Says a queen. Yes, they're real, says a king. Look at them. The queen has a book, the Book of Princesses. Look, here's Princess Flora, says the queen. Is she a real princess? Asks Prince Harold. Yes, she is, says the king. She's in the book. They visit Princess Flora. They have tea with her, but she doesn't talk. She only eats. Thank you for the tea, says Prince Harold. We have to go now. Goodbye. They visit Princess Val. They ride with her, but she doesn't talk. She only rides. Thank you for the ride, says Prince Harold. We have to go now. Goodbye. They visit Princess Hilda. They listen to music with her, but she doesn't listen. She only sleeps. Thank you for the music, says Prince Harold. We have to go now. Goodbye. They visit Princess Mandy. They go to her dance, but she doesn't talk or dance. She only sits. Thank you for the dance, says Prince Harold. We have to go now. Goodbye. They visit lots of princesses, but Prince Harold isn't happy. I only want a real princess, he says. I only want a real princess, says Prince Harold. A real princess. Let's go home, says the king. So as I go home, it's good to be home, says the king. Home, sweet home, says the queen. That night there is a storm. The rain falls, the wind blows. Then, bang, 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 there's somebody at the door. Who is it? It's late. There's a storm. Harold, says the queen. Go and open the door, please. It's a girl, a beautiful girl. It's late, says Prince Harold. What do you want? Her hair is wet. Her clothes are wet. Her shoes are wet. But she smiles at Prince Harold. Her smile is beautiful. I want to come in, she says. I am a real princess. They give the girl new clothes. They give her new shoes. Thank you, she says. What a night. What a storm. Are you really a real princess? Asks Prince Harold. Yes, she says. I am. A real princess? Let's see, says the queen. She takes a pea, a little green pea. She puts it on the bed. Bring 20 mattresses, she says, and 20 quilts. Put them on the bed. What a lot of mattresses, says the real princess. What a lot of quilts. What a strange high bed. It's a high, high bed for a real princess, says the queen. Sleep well. But the real princess does not sleep well. There's something in this bed, she says. A stone, a big stone. She sits up. She lies down. She sits up again. She cannot sleep at all. In the morning, the real princess says, there's something in this bed. A stone, I think. A big stone. Take off the mattresses, says the queen. Take off the quilts. And there is the pea. The little green pea. You can feel a pea under 20 mattresses and 20 quilts, says Prince Harold. Then it's true. You really are a real princess. A real princess. Now at last, says Prince Harold. At last I have my real princess. The king and queen are very happy. Everybody is happy. And there is the pea for everybody to see.